I'll be the first one to tell you that I am not a fan of neutrals, but when it comes to Auden, I make a special exception. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I created a very neutral kind of glam look. It's definitely a little bit more subtle than some of my looks recently, which included the bold green look. And if you've been to my Pinterest, you know I'm all about the jewel toned eye looks. But as mentioned in the intro, I do have a special place in my heart for neutrals, especially when the leaves are changing. I see all those gorgeous like pale yellows, oranges, reds, but they're subtle and natural. I can't explain it, but it just inspires me so much. So I created this look today inspired by fall foliage, and I was also inspired by the new Natasha Denona palette, which is the Peak palette, which is also inspired by fall foliage. I also included products from my Boxycharm. This is the October Boxycharm, which not only had some amazing beauty products, like one of my favorite brands, Sol de Janeiro. It had Brazilian Kiss, which was a lip butter, very hype about that, but it also contained some really good hydrating skincare products and of course a face palette, but you're gonna see that all in the tutorial now.
So this month's Boxycharm had some pretty amazing items in it, both makeup, skincare, and even a tool. I'm starting my look with the Foliage Preve Quench. This is a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Basically, it's going to make sure that your skin retains all of its moisture, looks plump, and helps to reduce the look of aging. Now, this product is worth $24, and it basically pays for the whole box with just this one product. Now, this product I was so excited to try, and this is the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. You can illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow. Now, you can use this as a primer or a serum or both. It's one of those amazing hybrid products, and it has a gentle shimmer that never shows up on the skin as glitter. So I use this to prime my face, and it is worth $60. I really loved how lightweight it was and how easily my skin absorbed it. It definitely did not feel sticky or tacky on the skin. It was just very, very comfortable to wear and worked well with the Quench product from Foliage. Next, I have a color changing sponge duo from Hip Dot. I'm going to be honest with you guys, even though the sponge was super, super soft, the color changing was just a gimmick. It goes from light pink to I think white. I really didn't see much of a change, but either way, it really blended my makeup out perfectly. Now, the foundation that I used was the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. I really love this foundation. It's very easy to work with and helps to hide a lot of my redness because I've been experiencing quite a bit of acne breakouts lately. Using the sponge helped me to waste less foundation and allowed me to apply just exactly what I needed. I didn't find that the sponge really absorbed much of the foundation either, and I thought that that was a plus. This product is worth $18. I did mention that this was a sponge duo, didn't I? That means that not only did it come with a full-size sponge, it also came with a mini sponge, which was perfect for applying product underneath my eye in the very delicate area there. You definitely don't want to pull and tug, and this is the perfect shape and size for applying foundation, concealer, and priming your eyes, which I'm readying my eyes for an amazing eyeshadow that I'm going to be trying. I'm super excited to be showing you guys this shadow from Natasha Denona. This is the new Peak palette, and it's inspired by the peak fall foliage season. You definitely get fall vibes with this palette, and if you're checking out any palette at all this season, this is going to be your ultimate go-to. It features so many beautiful shades that are such a pleasure to work with. I'm applying the medium brown to the outer and inner corner of my eyes. It's very easy to build up, and it's got such a soft and easy blendable texture to it. It's almost like butter. This is one of those shadows that requires such minimal effort to get it to do exactly what you want it to do. The look that I'm going for today is a halo look. So we are going to be leaving the center of the lid just a little bit barer because we're going to be putting that beautiful gold on the center of the lid. Now, I didn't even wet my eyeshadow brush, and I'm getting full pigmentation of that beautiful gold shadow. Whether you're using your finger or a brush, you're going to find this such an ease to work with. Now on the outer V, I'm going to add a little bit of that bricky color just to add a little bit of that fall tone to the look, just to give it a little bit more dimension. As you can see, they layer perfectly, and I'm putting a little bit of that first pale shade in the corner and layering a little gold on top of it. Now to under my brow, I'm going to be adding another little bit of that pale shade because I don't want to glow under the brow. I want to keep it just a little bit more matte, and underneath the lower lash line we're going to add a little bit more of that soft brown, just to soften up the look a little bit and give it a soft smoky eye look. For my liner, I'm going with my favorite eyeliner. This is the Rimmel London Scandalize. Really allows me to get precision, and I love the deep black shade. In my waterline, I'm going to be putting a little bit of Pixie Beauty. This is their Silky Eye Pen. It's a pencil, but it's super creamy. To highlight and bronze, I'm going back to a product from Boxycharm, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Biatch Face Palette. This is a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzes, and creamy glowing highlight. I love the way the highlight just illuminates my face without looking too metallic. I mean, I love that look in the summer, but when it comes to fall, I just want to soften it slightly. This is worth $32, and you get 6 beautiful shades to work with. I could even see this being used as eyeshadow. They're so easy to work with. Even the bronzing shade was super soft for my skin tone and really allowed me to get just a little bit of definition and make my face look a little bit thinner without looking overly sun-kissed. Fall is all about hydrating the lips, and this month's box included the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cappuccino Lip Butter. Now, I am such a huge fan of this brand. I own the shower gel, the shampoo, the body wash, the sprays, the cream, you name it, I have it. I love this brand, and this product is absolutely no different. It's my first time trying it, and I found it so hydrating. It has a value of 20 bucks. Now I'm lining the lips with Juvia's Place Luxe Lip Liner. These are one of their new lip liners, and I just absolutely love the quality of this. The packaging, it's retractable. You don't have to sharpen it. It's amazing. And this liner is in the shade So Rare. Next, I'm going to be applying the Huda Beauty. This is the Bullet Lipstick Matte Lipstick in the shade Staycation. This is the perfect shade for fall because it's such a perfect nude. It's such a perfect beige nude, and it's ultra creamy, but still gives that matte look. Now, if you want to stick with that matte look, just leave it as is, but I wanted to add just a little bit of shine just to the middle of the lips to make my lips look a little bit fuller, and I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip only in the center of the lip in the shade Sun Soaked. And that completes my neutral fall foliage look featuring Natasha Denona and Boxycharm.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you came here to learn a little bit more about Boxycharm, I do want to remind you guys that Boxycharm is a $25 a month subscription. You get 5 full-size products. Your box is always worth so much more than what you paid for. It's always worth way more than $25. For example, just from this box, we have products that are worth $60, and then everything is lower than $60, but we have the $60 Soft Focus Glow Drops. We have the Pretty Vulgar Palette 32. I can go on, you'll see it in the info section that everything in this box is worth way more than you paid for it, and it's the same thing every single month. You always get way more than you paid for it. And it's a great way to discover new skincare and beauty products. You also get some tools sometimes. So check it out. I will leave a link below, as well as shoppable links for all the products that I showed in this video if you're interested in picking any of them up. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it and leave some comments. If you want to see more from me, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're on Instagram, please be sure to follow me at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle content, and at Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. I'm also on Pinterest at Recycled Stardust, and you can check out my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. I have a lot of places for you guys to keep up with me, so again, check the info section, and as always, thank you so much for watching.